This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.